Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix a login error of your Netflix. So there could be few things that might have caused this problem, so in this video I'll show you the possible solutions to fix your login error. As you can see, this is the Netflix app and right now I'm not logged into any of my accounts. So first of all, an outdated version of the app might be a cause. So to solve this problem, you need to go to your App Store or Play Store, so which is this. Now open your Play Store or your App Store. So once you open this page, on the top part of the screen, type the name of the app of which you want to fix the login error of. So that's Netflix. Now tap on it. So once you tap on the app, you will have to check whether any update of the app are available or not. If updates are available, I recommend you to update your app, and once you have updated your app, then you can re-log into your account, and that will also definitely fix your login error. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution as well. For another solution, we need to go to the settings. So let's get back here, tap on the settings option now. So this is the settings option, as you can see, and here scroll down until you find the option with app. Tap on it. Now you can manually search for your app, or you can just tap on the upper right corner of the screen where you will see a search icon, and then type Netflix in this box. Afterwards, when this page opens up, you will see your option with storage. Tap on it. Now just need to clear the cache of your app. So the option is available on the bottom part of the screen. So tap on it, then clear your cache of the Netflix. Once you have cleared your cache of your app, try logging in, and that will also fix your login error. So if both of these solutions does not work for you, we have another easy solution as well. The easy solution is uninstalling your app and reinstalling it. So once you have reinstalled your app, you can then log in, and that's how you can fix your login error. You know the process of uninstalling an app. Just long press on the app, and then you will see your option with uninstall. Tap on it, and that's how your app will be uninstalled. To reinstall your app, go to your Play Store or App Store, type the name of the app you have recently uninstalled, and then you can reinstall it. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.